Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can equip and remove artifacts in Abyss Roblox. So if you found some powerful artifacts while diving into the depths but not sure how you can use them to boost your stats, so artifacts are the secret to dominating the abyss, giving you the massive buffs like faster swimming, higher oxygen capacity, or maybe increased fishing luck. And in here I'm going to show you the exact menu settings to manage your gear. So currently I have this three as my artifacts, and let's say I want to remove one of them. So you can just click on this sandbag icon at the top left corner. This is your inventory, and you can just click on artifacts tab. So if you already reach a certain level, you can have more than one artifacts like this. So if you want to remove certain artifacts, you can just click on remove, and to add another one or to equip another one, you can just find here. So for example, I'm going to add this one. For example, you can just click on equip, and that's it. Now you have remove and equip a new artifacts for your gear. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.